What's the meaning of astern? Astern. Astern.
Astern. Astern. Astern is a nautical term that refers to the back part of a ship or boat. It describes the direction opposite to the vessel's forward motion, which could mean moving in reverse or turning around. Astern is often used when giving commands to steer the ship, such as hard astern, to order the engines to reverse and slow down the ship's speed, or keep her astern, to keep the vessel behind another. Overall, astern is a vital term in navigating ships and boats safely and efficiently on the water.